Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, the beginning of the new week, August 5th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar for today. Overnight data were from Japan. They were published deep in the night, and those Japan were services PMI that disappointed the market participant, but they are better than the previous reading of 49.4 with the actual reading of 53.7, and the monetary policy meeting minutes from the Bank of Japan. Chinese data beats the expectations. So we got the situation when the market reported Caixin services PMI at the level of 52.1 points. During the London session, we got the services and the composite PMI scheduled for release from France, Germany, Eurozone, and the UK. As you can see, busy morning with plenty of the data releases across the Eurozone. Then during the, of course, New York session, we have the S&P Global Services PMI and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI data releases. At the end of the day, at 11 o'clock, FOMC member Daly will give a speech. So it looks like we might have quite of a busy morning and busy afternoon today during the London and New York session. Nevertheless, let's find out what's going on the charts. Let's take a look at the at some markets. We are going to start right now with Bitcoin. Over the weekend, the cryptocurrency market experienced big sell off. Currently we are approaching the level of $50,000 for one Bitcoin. As you can see, over the weekend we just went straight down like a kind of a waterfall pattern is being printed on the market. It looks like we have lost plenty of the percentage already, because from the high was on the 29th of the July. So within 1 week we lost, for now we've lost just a second. I need my tool. I think it will be like a I think 20% or something like this. I guess it will be something like that, or maybe even more, because this is some kind of a very aggressive sell of 28% down in a week. So it looks like the cryptocurrency market is catching up with the stock indices, and it's going just basically down with one big sell-off. We are breaking all of this technical support levels, as you can see. So right now they are all invalid, because that strong movement to the downside completely invalidated the support levels. Only the strongest one will be used in the future, although the other ones will need some kind of a correction. For now, we are approaching $50,000. I think that this level might produce some sort of the temporary pause or even a shallow bounce, but the next target at 49,126 is apparently in a view for the bears. So it looks like the market is just simply moving lower and lower very fast, despite the fact that we hit extremely oversold conditions. We haven't seen these conditions it's even since the beginning of the year. We even passed this June low. There you go. This is 19 August 2023. It looks like the August is the some sort of the time of the year that market likes to use as a sell off. The same situation was here. Period of the consolidation. Now the consolidation sell off lower towards the level of $25,000 dollars. Now, of course, it's the price is completely different, but the pattern might be the same. So the Bitcoin is being sold across the board. We are approaching the level of 50,000. The nearest technical support is 49,126, and the nearest technical resistance are those two levels located at 54,291. This one is invalidated, as I said. This one is invalidated already. They are all weak technical levels. Only the strongest one, we will leave only the strongest one right now, and the other one, like this one, yes, this is the zone that might be used as a technical support. However, as you can see, this zone right now is already violated. It's already violated, so I don't think that the market participants will use this zone for good. I think it might be just a temporary pause for the movement to the downside. Okay, so it would be better to get rid of this, and of course that at a lower level for 50,610 is already violated. So right now I just switch the color code to red all over the place. Please keep an eye on the extremely oversold conditions. We might see some kind of a bounce after 49,000 level is hit, but it looks like the bears are strong and they are just pushing the market lower and lower. Let's find out what's going on the majors on Forex. Euro dollar daily time frame chart, beautiful breakout above the short-term trend line. Let me just fix it to the 4-hour chart. Very nice breakout, local high at 1.0939, but the bearish engulfing pattern is being built here, so it looks like after the breakout we need some kind of a pause to the downside. So this level here, 1.0872, will act as the technical support. This level here will act as the technical support. This level here will act as the technical support as well. The next target for bulls is of course the swing high located at 1.0949. We are not that far away from this level anymore. Now that was the euro dollar, and let me just take a look at the British pound. Of course, the same situation here. We retrace 60 and even 78% of the Fibonacci levels from the last swing up. Bearish divergence at the top, as you can see, very nice. And since then the market is in decline. The market is in decline, and we are moving towards the level of 1.2709, 1.27. If we break below 1.27, the next target is 1.2633, and the swing low located at 1.2614. Please notice how beautifully and technically the momentum is being rejected from the level of 50 that separates the positive from the negative sentiment. It's definitely the bears all over the place that are ruling this chart right now. Please expect lower levels here. And last but not least, if everyone is going down, what is going up? Maybe US dollar index. What is US dollar index doing? No, US dollar index is going down. Euro dollar is going down, British pound is going down, yeah, cable is going down, US dollar index is going down, Bitcoin is going down, everything is going down, and that's kind of a weird and tricky situation. So it needs a further investigation. 103.62 is now the technical resistance, and on the US dollar index the level of 102.33 is now the major technical support. So please keep an eye on this level. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.